Hasan Piker, the fifth largest political streamer on the internet. The first three being Trump, Obama, and Joe playing Minecraft. And I'ma censor the fourth one like Baby No Money style. So you are out of ideas but still want to play Skyrim? Well, worry not, because in today's video, I will set up a world for you with mods and some rules you will need to immerse yourself in Skyrim Hasan Piker experience. Like and subscribe right now or else. First, create your character by taking a reference picture from the internet. This exactly looks the same. You guys better start praising my art right now or else I'ma come in your house and in you. So anyways, character creation was never my strong point. So to pull this off, you will need a mod called race menu which will let you do this. Now let's talk about the gameplay. So as Hasan Piker, you are only allowed to use lightning based spells and lightning enchanted weapons. You can even use mods which adds additional lightning based spells and attacks to open up your options. And you will also need a mod called diverse dogs. Now don't ask me why will you need this, because I am pretty sure everyone knows by now. But as Hasan Piker, your raw instinct will be zapping every dog you come across. I don't care when and where, what are you doing. If you see a dog, you gotta zap it without any question. And then what you have to do is you have to start talking about how it wasn't a shock spell but you were actually using healing hands to heal the dog. Next, you will need the cheat menu MCM mod for two reasons. First, to get 1 million septons. Yes, Hasan Piker was born rich into the world of Skyrim like he was in real life. And the second reason is to start with the speech level 100, because as we know, you really need perfect speech to convince people about socialism while hoarding wealth yourself. This cheat mod makes it all easy and very customizable, so I will prefer this mod. But there are other ways, like you can use console commands by just Google searching different IDs and how to use them. But I will prefer if you download this mod because it's way better than just console commands. Another major, and I mean a must-have major thing you need to do while playing as Hasan. Okay, so whenever you come face to face with a woman, you gotta remove all the clothes you are currently wearing right now. For at least 20 seconds, you will have to flash yourself to the woman. Yes, you will need to do this in front of hostile female NPCs like female bandits and the Hague Ravens too. And if you're feeling extra brave, download Himbo along with the mod called Sholongs of Skyrim to have the real full Hasan female interaction experience under your belt. Last but not least, you have to side with the Stormcloaks because they are Okay, so this is how you will play as Hasan Piker in Skyrim. If you want, I can start streaming so you guys can actually see how it works, or maybe I can just create a video beating Skyrim as Hasan Piker. So let me know in the comments whatever you want, I will do that. If you made it this far into the video, then like and subscribe because why not? And I will see you in the next video.